All right, guys, we're gonna fix this bolt hole here. This ear's broke off, so this is how a customer brought it into us. And let's get her fixed up.
Well, just, you can see me filling it up there, just doing a little TIG. That's just a cast filler rod, nothing special to it. Just get her blasted up.
Welding process finished.
So on this part, I'm just, I cleaned up the surface that the plate goes on top to, basically the valve cover, intermediate valve cover. Got that cleaned up. Actually, I guess these don't have an intermediate, it's just a valve cover. Now I'm just drilling the hole out on it so that we can get the drill bit to go in. So we'll just go in the drill bit through and give a little shot of WD-40 and run the tap through it, and she's pretty much all ready to go.
Well, boys, she's now fixed. Wow, as good as it's gonna get anyway for a quick repair. You see me weld it up. We just milled the top off just so there was a little bit of a flat spot there. That's not the sealing anyway. There's the sealing edge. And all I did was I just ran the end mill through it and then drill bit through it and then clean the hole with the tap. Well, half thread the hole, half not thread the hole, I guess. Anyways, that's all there is to it. Don't forget, hit me down in the comments, like, subscribe, and remember, it's not rocket science.